Hi Lexi, thank you for sending in your calculus question again. So we have this function f right here, and they're asking where are the values less than 0 for the second derivative. So we're going to find the second derivative, the first thing to do. So first we have to take the first derivative. So that's going to be 4 over 12, which is going to be just 1 over 3 x to the third plus, you bring the 3 down, the 3's cancel out, it's just going to be 2x squared plus, you bring the 2 down, it's going to be 3x plus 8, 2 goes away, and then f double prime, second derivative, equals, the 3 comes down, cancels, it's just going to be x squared plus the 2 comes down, it's going to be 4x plus 3. Okay? So these are the two things, or this is the double second derivative right here. The way we can do this is we can factor this thing and factor this equation so we get plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 4. And then we're going to test areas. So this isn't x plus 4, it's x plus 3. 3 times 1 is 3 right here. So where we put in, we need it to be negative. So one of these has to be negative for the whole thing to be negative. So if we put in negative 1 here, this is going to be 0. So if we put in negative 2, it's going to be negative, and this is still going to be positive. But once this becomes negative, then the thing's going to be positive. So what we're looking at is above 1, this is positive, this one is positive, and this one is positive, right? Above negative 1, they're both positive. So x is greater than negative 1. X is less than negative 1, and x is greater than negative 3, this is going to be negative, and this is going to be positive. So that means the entire thing, this is positive, and the entire thing is negative here. And then finally, if x is less than negative 3, this is going to be negative, and this is going to be negative. And so the entire thing is going to be positive. So the final thing is just right here. This is our answer right here. The x is greater than negative 3 and less than negative 1. All right? Thank you for sending in your question tonight. We hope to answer more of your questions in the future. Have a good